Hello students, we're going to be doing another project this next week in gardening. I hope you've enjoyed the sprouts that you've eaten, and also you've planted the string beans, and hopefully they're growing really well. Make sure you take time to water them. And even last week you were able to find some leaves and make your house a little bit more like a jungle. So this week we're going to plant something that is actually edible and you can actually enjoy in your salad. Let's see what it is. Yes, radishes. Radishes are good in your salad and you can actually eat them raw. In your package you'll have a cup with some dirt. This is potting soil. It's good to write the name of it, radishes, on the side so you know what you're growing. And also you'll find some seeds, maybe 4 or 5 seeds in each. Take the seeds and put them each in a little hole. We'll see if we can get one in one hole and one in another and in the last one. Okay, so you're going to stick these seeds underneath, put a little dirt over it, and make sure it has plenty of water. Make sure the cup has holes in the bottom, just like that. And you're going to water it. Make sure it has water now, especially as it's going to be sprouting. It takes extra water to break that hard shell open. Water it until you see it come out the bottom. Make sure you water enough, but not too much. Too much will be if tomorrow it still has water in top of it. Okay, these seeds are going to grow you're going to see sprouts within a week, and you can expect to eat it within 25 days. So I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you take pictures and let me know how it goes.